What's up, guys? It's Elizabeth with Infinity and Beyond, and today we are here in Epcot. We're going to try some amazing food. You have to get some wine. It's the Food and Wine Festival. We're going to do some pin trading, so let's blast off and get this thing started. So our first ride today is the iconic Spaceship Earth. Let's go.
Test Track is a family-style thrill ride located in World Discovery in Epcot. You create your own virtual concept car, and when you're done, you buckle up in a 6-passenger sim car and take it for an exhilarating spin on the test track. You rev through rough terrain and obstacles along the winding circuit. You accelerate through straightaways, maneuver switchbacks through inclement weather, hug curves banked at 50-degree angles, and scale hills up to 3 stories high. Eventually, you'll reach speeds of up to 65 miles per hour as you put your car through its paces.
And I found a pinboard!
Try sodas from around the world at Club Cool and World Celebration. But maybe skip the Beverly.
Okay, it's Beverly time. Wish me luck. Nope. I need more of that cucumber spray to clean that out. Ugh. It tastes like cough syrup and rotten alcohol. Yeah, it's not great.
Right outside of Pin Traders is a pin board. They usually don't bring this one out until around 10 or 11 in the morning, just so you guys know.
It's time for the Seas with Nemo and Friends, guys. Let's go swimming. We've now done the Seas with Nemo and Friends. It's time to go live with the land.
Living with the Land is a slow boat ride for all ages. You get to go through all of the greenhouses of Disney World and see some plants from around the world, as well as plants that they use during their different festivals throughout the year.
Guys, I found Pooh Bear. We'll see if we can get him to say hi to us. Hi, Pooh! No, I might be one of those weirdos who absolutely loves Journey into the Imagination with Figment. Or is it Journey into Your Imagination? I don't know. They changed it too many times. Figment is my bae, so let's go say hi to Figment.
Journey into Imagination with Figment is a family ride for all ages. In this ride, Dr. Nigel Channing sets out to prove how the 5 senses capture the imagination, but he gets upstaged by the mysterious Figment. Figment causes quite a stink in the smell lab, as well as turning the entire lab upside down in this vivid and whimsical sensory ride. Let your imagination run wild on this magical musical adventure.
Guys, that song is going to be stuck in my head all day. Figment is just chef's kiss every time. We are on our way to Guardians of the Galaxy because our boarding group is about to be called. Not yet, but by the time we get there, I think we'll be like one of the first ones for our boarding group in line. And I'm so ready. It's my first time riding it. I've heard really mixed things about which songs you get can affect the ride. So I'm really hoping I get September because I just need that in my life. I need September. So fingers are crossed. Guys, the Jameters are here. We have to go see the Jameters. Well, guys, after a little bit of a wait, our boarding group is ready to go save the galaxy. Okay, Guardians, absolutely phenomenal. Definitely a little stomach turning, I would say. I mean, we didn't eat on purpose so that we could make it through Guardians with no issues. But all in all, phenomenal. We'll definitely be doing it again. We sat towards the back. It was awesome. There are no words. So I went to Hawaii. And of course, you have to get the Kahlua barbecue pork slider featuring the trusty dusty Epcot trash can, aka Epcot table. I'm so ready. I've been looking forward to this.
Next up, We made our way over to the Swanky Saucy Swine. We got the pork rinds with the pimento cheese, and let me tell you, it was so good.
Hey, we've got a taco. That looks so good, by the way. We got the tostada, the mango. It says margarita, but it actually is rum, not tequila. And then I went over to Choza de Margarita or something like that, and I just got the classic lime with the salt rim because you just can't go wrong. So my personal favorite is the tostada. I think the taco is delicious flavor-wise, but I think that the tortilla that it came on was like almost raw. It wasn't like warm or anything, and it was like oddly chewy. So I think for me, flavor-wise is probably the taco, but overall it would be the tostada. We're on our way to Norway to go see Anna and Elsa. And my favorite guy, because we have to see what frozen things do in summer.
Frozen Ever After is a slow-moving boat ride for families of all ages. Keep your eyes peeled for Anna, Olaf, and a few more frozen friends, and behold the wonder of Elsa's enchanting ice palace in this frozen adventure.
Elsa, you good, bro? You good? I think Elsa's done. Elsa had too much margaritas in Mexico. It's officially been like 3 years. I'm just kidding. No, it's been like 5 minutes. We're still stuck on Frozen right at the backwards drop, so thankfully they did shut off Elsa singing pretty quickly. We only heard it loop like twice, I think, and then it got shut off, so could be worse. I am quite enjoying the, we're moving. Currently hauling for my 2:30 Soarin' reservation. Well, actually it was 1:30 to 2:30, and it's like 2:25, and I'm all the way back, just exiting World Showcase. We are moving and grooving. Hopefully we'll make it. Passing the Figment statue. I wish I could say hi. Hi, Figment. Bye, Figment. Okay, let's go see if we can make it to our appointment to soar around the world. All concourses this way for soaring around the world. Let's go.
Soarin' is a family attraction with a 40-inch height requirement. It is a 180-degree, 80-foot-tall IMAX digital projection dome with spectacular aerial footage, pleasant scents, and graceful motion that raises the soothing sensation of flight to incredible new heights.
Well, I just finished everybody's mom's favorite ride, aka Soarin'. Thank you, Patrick Warburton, for that amazing adventure. And of course, everybody did clap during the Epcot fireworks scene, because if you don't clap during the Epcot fireworks scene, what are you even doing with your life? We are on our way now. We have an appointment to go to Remy, so we're gonna go see what the little rat's up to in the kitchen. I guess I forgot to mention, if you want the best view on Soarin', ask for Concourse 2, Row 2. It's smack center, and it's like a globe almost. So everything will be perfect for your eye line, and it won't be a little bit warped. Obviously, be nice when you ask your cast members if you can wait for Concourse 2, Row 2. Don't be like, I deserve it, or I want it. Just say, hey, could I please wait for Concourse 2, Row 2? And that way you'll have the best view. I just had like Concourse 1, Row 1 in the far top corner, and everything was like this. It was not cute. We saw something, and we are currently on our way back to it. So right outside the entrance to Living with the Land, there is a pin board. You have to ask for it because it's hidden in the closet. But it is a pin-nana. That's right, it is a banana with pins on it. And you best believe I'm on my way back there to go get the pin-nana right now. We have...
Just because it's kind of hard to keep up with everything.
I'm gonna show it on here. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. And it's like all around.
Yeah.
I already see one you need.
There we go. Ready? Thank you.
So the banana is right outside of Living with the Land. If you're super nice and you ask the cast members very nicely to get the banana, and you give them a minute, they will gladly grab the banana for you. All right, we did our pin trading at the banana. Hands down, best thing I've ever seen in my life. It was amazing. We are now on our way to Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, because I haven't done it yet. It's new. I guess. We just haven't been in a while. Apparently it's super cute. Some people think it's a little overrated. But I mean, I guess if you're gonna wait 85 minutes for anything, it's probably not Remy. For me, that's Soren. Soren is so overrated. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know how Remy is. We got distracted by Captain Jack Sparrow outside of the UK. Probably looking for a ship to commandeer. But he did the Jack Sparrow run on the way out and it was beautiful. Okay, world. Hot take. Don't be mad at me. I wasn't a fan of Remy. We waited like 10 minutes with Fast Pass. That one was, that was fine. But if I waited 85 minutes, which is the current wait, I think I would have probably cried at the waste of time in my day. I don't think it was worth 85-minute wait. I think it was an afterthought in regards to Disney's Imagineering. I think it had the potential to be really cute, but there was so many screens, which I'm not opposed to like some screenplay like they've got in Rise of the Resistance or Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I think they do it very well, but they actually put you on a platform that actually moves like your whole cart. Versus here, I could tell that my thing wasn't moving at all. Like the cart that I was in, I could tell it wasn't moving. It would jiggle a little bit and like vibrate, but that was kind of it. We might go up like an inch, but I mean, I could just tell that I wasn't moving and it was all screen in my face, and that was what was giving me that feeling of motion. So I think if they gave it a revamp in a few years to make it a little bit less of an afterthought and a little bit more like Rise or Mickey and Minnie's, I think it has the potential to be awesome. I think it was super cute. Don't get me wrong. Adorable ride. Not worth 85 minutes though. But on another note, it's time for some food in France. All right, we are currently passing the non-existent Harmonious statues, so beautifully, precariously perched on the water over there. Nobody can actually see those, right? But anyways, we are on our way to the Alps because rule number 1, I grew up as a rocklet girl and I've now got my husband into it. So we're gonna go get some cheese, because what's better than a hot day than melty cheese? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So it's coming. I want melty cheese. I can't even think because all I can think about is melty cheese right now. Sounds so good. Raclette is the good stinky cheese. So good. Yes! I'm here for it. Alright guys, it's about 5:15. We are gonna boot, scoot, and boogie out of Epcot and make our way over to Magic Kingdom because we're here for 7 days. We're gonna take advantage of our park hours and we are gonna be at park till close at 11. I'm just kidding. I don't know what time we're gonna leave. My husband wants to leave now. He could go to bed right now. But I am Ripper and I'm ready to go. So we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom, see if we can knock out a few of the big rides that I know we're gonna want to do a couple times. Maybe I'll ride Space Mountain like 50 million times. It'll be great.
Stay tuned for our next video where we take on the 3 mountains in Magic Kingdom. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified when our next video comes up. And don't forget to check out our Patreon and our Instagram. Have a magical day!